Please try this healthy and delicious veg cutlets. Prepared in air fryer. Normally, you will often find this in India train catering. But this is healthier than that. Take 3 boiled mashed potatoes. Add vegetables of your choice. ½ cup crushed peas. Add the following spices: 1 cup breadcrumbs. Mix well. Salt to taste. Mix well. 5 tablespoons plain flour maida. 1/2 tsp black pepper. Gradually add water to make slurry. Keep similar consistency. Take a small portion and make cutlets shape of your choice. Deep in slurry. Then coat in breadcrumbs. In preheated air fryer. Place parchment paper. Gradually place cutlets. Set air fryer for 18 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees C. After 8 minutes, apply oil. Flip it. Apply oil at this side as well. Keep on flipping in between. Once golden brown, take this out. Isn't this easy and healthy cutlet recipe?
Wow, it looks delicious. I am going to try this now.
Please try this and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time for another delicious recipe.